In the episode number 142 of the A.S.A.P Tech News, we talk about Noctua and their entry into the home appliance product market, the latest AMD graphics card driver, the latest Intel Arc graphics card driver, and G.Skill releasing a high-performance DDR5 RAM kit. We start with Noctua, which has introduced a new line of home products. In essence, the brand is now offering a few cooling products for your house instead of your computer. This new product line includes 2 fan sets and 9 modular accessory products that allow you to use the Noctua fans for your home or office space. In essence, these modular accessories will allow you to use most, if not all, Noctua fans as your desk or office fans, so basically they are adapters. It's an interesting move by Noctua to expand their product series by only offering accessories that basically will adapt their existing products to a new market. All products in their home series are already available for purchase on the major retailers online and can be seen on the Noctua website. Next, Intel has released their latest Arc graphics card driver, now at version 101.5.5.22. This is a certified release and thus should be better in terms of stability when compared with the previous beta release. What this new release brings out is game-ready support for no less than 4 video games. Not only that, but this driver brings out performance increases for Starfield, the video game. However, while this driver brings out day one and game-ready optimizations, it does not have any fixed issues, while having a lot of known issues left unresolved. We continue with AMD and their latest graphics card driver, now at version 24.5.1. This new driver brings out optimizations for multiple video games, which includes Ghost of Tsushima, Director's Cut, Senua Saga, Hellblade 2 and F1 24. In addition, the Hyper-Tune support has been expanded to more video games, as well as more performance has been gained with Hyper-RX support. Outside of this, multiple AI features have been improved and general AI performance has been increased with this release. Fortunately, this driver has plenty of fixed issues included, as well as a lot of known issues left unresolved, but that's the case for all drive releases. And finally, G.Skill launches a high-performance DDR5 RAM kit, the Ripjaws M5 RGB series. This new RAM kit will be offered initially with a frequency of 6400 at CL32 in a 2-module configuration and a total capacity of 96 GB. In terms of options, this RAM kit is available in 2 colors, matte black or matte white, and both are applied on aluminum matte heatsinks. While the pricing is not yet revealed, the availability for purchase starts on May 2024. And this is the end of the episode number 142 of the A.S.A.P Tech News, one of the few tech news series which aims to deliver you the news as fast as possible for your convenience.